Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a short one. It is basically my ode to running. After years and years of trying, I finally settled into a habit of running. I'm 4 months in and I've achieved a lot of good results. My mental health is better, my physical health is better, and my vitality has shot up. Now I'll divide this video into 3 parts. Basically why I run and why you should run. Second, what all things have helped me to settle into this habit. And third, how I've achieved the results and maybe some tips for you. So let's get into it. As they say, runner's high is real. Running makes me feel more in control of my life. Whenever I'm running, I don't listen to podcast or to music. I try to plan how I want to go about my day and what all I want to accomplish and how I want to go about it. Running makes me feel much more powerful. It keeps away all my depressive tendencies away and helps me to decompress. Knowing whenever I've run, I feel that I've accomplished something for my mental health and physical health. A good diet along with running has helped me lose 13 kgs in 3 months. So what helped me to build this habit and maintain it? Cardio has been a weak spot for me for a long time, and I'd been trying to build this habit since 2015. But when I started my own business just a couple of months back, I felt that I had a clean slate, so I decided to change my life in a big way. And I built accountability with my parents so that I carried on with this habit. Second, I followed a lot of communities on Reddit regarding fitness and a healthy lifestyle, and they have been a lot of help for me. And third, the Apple Watch has been a lot of help. I try to close all the rings and it gives me an impetus and a push to live a all-round healthy life. So how have I gone about with this habit? First of all, I try to take it slow. And secondly, I don't try to push my body. I actually listen to it. And third, I try to run slow. So what this means is that when I'm running, I try to maintain my stride as close to my center of gravity as possible, which increases my cadence as well. And I try to run in zone 2 of my heart rate to burn more fat. And lastly, I try to run 80% of my run at a normal pace and 20% of my run fast. Now another thing is that I don't look at other people's stat because that makes me sometimes worried whether I'm running in the right way or not. Now I'll show you how I have gone about running and how I've lost my weight. So let's dive into it. Now here is a visual representation of all the runs that I've logged from the middle of Jan till the end of April. Now as you can see, I've gone about it gradually. Whenever I've tried to increase my mileage, I've gone about it incrementally by increasing my mileage by 10%. I started by running with 3 kilometers daily and then increased it gradually. And the maximum that I've run is above 16 kilometers. I've always tried to scale it gradually and then maintain that mileage for a couple of days. Now you will have some good runs and some bad runs along the way. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video. Now I hope that some of the information that I've given in this video might be of interest to you and might help you out as well. Now I must say that I did fall off the wagon and stop running for a couple of weeks. But after taking the habit back up, I realized how important it is to my life. Now if you've enjoyed this video, do subscribe to my channel for more such content. And you can also read my blog post on my website. I'll catch you in the next one. See you.